Students, today we are going to discuss a topic on carbon and its compounds. Before going into that, let us know what is carbon and what are its properties and how it forms into compounds and also how it involves. So, carbon is a chemical element with the symbol C and the atomic number 6, and it is non metallic and tetravalent. Tetra means 4, as you all know, tetra. So it belongs to the group of 14 of the periodic table. If you have seen the periodic table, you can identify there the carbon positions. And moreover, carbon makes up only about 0.025% of Earth's crust. That means 0.025 means you can imagine how much it is, point 0 and all. It's very less. So this carbon involves in two ways. One is saturated carbon compounds. The other one is unsaturated carbon compounds. So saturated carbon compounds. The compounds in which various carbon atoms in a chain or a ring are linked together by single bond only, like one after the other, in a single bond, one after the other. Like how we have known the polymers, how it is linked, the same thing this carbon also is going to link one after the other in a single row. So when it comes to the unsaturated carbon compounds, these are the compounds in which various, that means different types of carbon atoms in a chain or a ring are linked together by double or triple bonds, or 2 or 3 at a time, like this. Depending upon the type of saturated, either double or triple arrangements. And when it comes to the properties, the different ways, this carbon and its compounds, the formation of that burns in the presence of oxygen or air to give the carbon dioxide gas heat and also the light. And it involves in different reactions, whereas the combination, oxidation, addition and substitution reactions, so it involves in all this process to show how the performing of this compounds, carbon compounds. And even you can say as carbon is the only element which forms so many compounds, as you see the picture that how the composition takes place. So many compounds, because each carbon atom can form 4 chemical bonds to other atoms. And also carbon atom is just the right, which is smaller size, to fit into comfortable as parts of very large molecules. And also they can even join head to tail to make rings of carbon atoms. As we have already discussed what is an atom and all, what is a molecule and all, what is a compound. Moreover, atoms, molecules and compounds. We know that atoms are very tiny particles that we cannot see with the naked eye. It is so tiny that we cannot see, and even it is indivisible, simply we can say. So the molecules, a group of atoms together, we can say it is of molecules. And when it comes to the compounds, which have the composition can be broken down into elements by chemical or electrochemical reactions, you can say. So these are the few things about the carbons and its compounds. Thank you.